Hey guys, Ashley Peterson here with Promo Realty, standing outside of 707 Stanford Drive. This is a great home, well maintained, and a ton of space for the money. You have 4 bedrooms on the main level, and the bedrooms are a good size. Downstairs, there's also a 5th non-conforming bedroom that could be used as an office or a guest bedroom, a playroom, lots of possibilities. You are going to love the kitchen. Beautifully updated kitchen, and a lot of the appliances have been updated as well. Fenced in, pretty level backyard for Jefferson City, and also the basement has new carpet. It has been completely redone in 2026. So lots of great things about this home. Sit back and enjoy the tour.